Oh, the grand opening, which is the finale. Oh, there he goes. Whoops, wrong way. Here we go. Chamber number 2. First color was blue. Next one is green. The color of envy. Let's try to zoom in closer. Whoa, here come the cracklers. And that was my brother. Oh, it's getting hecka bright. You said it. Hello! Hot mama, that's loud. Oh, red and gold? Woo! Red and gold all over the place. That, whoa! Oh, that was worth the $100 for the year.
Bubba, don't touch it yet.
Oh,
Bubba.
wait.
Oh man, you guys missed it.
Don't worry, I got it recorded. So, without further ado, thanks a lot for... Whoa, hello. Sorry this was so short, and this was a little bit on the fly, but hey, it's YouTube. So anyways, what is it? I know. It's kind of like the Heath Ledger. Got it out. I'm trying to make a joke here. It's like the Heath Ledger Joker. It's Halloween. I don't know what chemical that is, but anyways. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and thank you very much for taking the time to look at our video, and for this point of the year, happy 4th of July, and get out of the picture.
And pizza!
Yeah, welcome to my world. Good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for taking your time to watch the video and all that jazz. This has been Z-Hawk Lightwind. This has been Z-Hawk Lightwind wishing you a great 4th of July and every holiday else to come. With that said, Z-Hawk signing out.